Alright, we're here at the Hyper Gym of UCA, the large studio. Will Elliott, mathematics graduate student, and true Alisandre, instructor here since 2017. We're going to present several balancing poses that can help stabilize our mind and prepare us for a very confident final exam week coming up. We start with the Warrior 3, balancing on the right foot. We're going to lift that left leg back and off the ground, trying to bring it parallel to the floor. You can just let the arms hang freely in front. That's your balance if you need. Then the arms back alongside that long leg. Breathing nice and smoothly. And back down onto the mat. So we'll switch our weight to the left foot now for the tree pose. We're going to bring the right foot up inside the right ankle area, left ankle. Arms over the head. Then we're going to bring that right foot with the arch fitting right into the calf muscle. Open the arms up a little. And we're going to go right into the bird pose with the arms to the side and the right foot back. Both feet on the mat again. And now let's bring it up to the variation 3, the right foot up to the thigh, pressing in above the knee. You're going to put your right hand here on the thigh, and then the left arm up. And bring the right arm up to touch the left palm. Both feet on the mat, and finally, we're going to use this butt of ours for something other than just couch potatoing. We're going to lift those legs off the mat, balancing on our sits bones, reaching way out, arms stretching toward the legs and feet. And pointing the toes is great, like I mentioned to Will earlier. Cross the legs, we're going to twist to the left, maybe a more full twist than you might be used to. Left hand behind the hips. Inhale back to the front. We're going to twist to the right. Bring the right hand behind the hips. Look over your right shoulder. And back to the front. And that's a wrap for these 3 or 4 balancing poses from yoga for your mental stability and test taking. Have a great one.